How to fix Messenger video call voice problem. So, the first step is by going to your settings, and then you should look for Messenger on the bottommost part right here. So, once you clicked on Messenger, you should make sure that the microphone is turned on. So, to indicate that the microphone is turned on, the toggle button should turn into green. And then you should go ahead and try your video call once again. And if the problem continues, then go ahead on your App Store, search for Messenger, and then click on Messenger and make sure to click on the update button once the update is available. So again, you should go back to Messenger, try a video call once again, and that should fix your problem. However, if the problem continues, then what I would do or what I would suggest is go to settings once again, go to iPhone storage by going to general, iPhone storage, search for Messenger, click on offload the app, and then reinstall app once it is done. So that's it. That's how you can fix Messenger video call voice problem. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.